Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about whenever someone is trying to install, they are getting a message, this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. This particular issue is happening for many of the users when they are trying to download the app from the App Store, and many users end up having a lot of trouble. So if that is the case, how we can fix this app? So in this video, I'm going to help you with some troubleshoot guide which you can try. That's going to help you guys to fix this out. So let's move to the workaround. So the first step is all about when you're having this particular issue, all you have to do is you just need a proper internet connection. So either you should be connected with the cellular data or should be connected with the Wi-Fi. So it is quite important when you are trying to make any kind of download, you should be connected to the very good internet connection over the Wi-Fi, or else you will be having a lot of trouble. So this is what you have to do as the first step. Once afterwards, if the issue is still there, you can try with the next step. Next step is all about nothing but we have to try with resetting your network settings. For many users, when they're done with the reset network settings, it worked for them. So just tap over here in the settings. Now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to general. Keep scrolling down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Go for reset over here. There is an option called reset network settings. Just go for reset network settings. Once you're done with this one, the reset network settings, most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. After reset network settings, you have to connect back to the Wi-Fi. Once again, if you're using the Wi-Fi, you have to give the respective credentials and that will be fine. Next one is all about nothing but what we have to do is we just need to move to the next one. That is all about we have to reset all settings. For this, we just need to tap over here in the settings. We have to keep scrolling down and navigate to general. Keep scrolling down once again and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Go for reset over here and we have to go for reset all settings. So go for reset all settings. Once afterwards you are done with the reset all settings, you are fine with this, and most probably after doing this, the issue regarding this will be completely fixed and will not be having any kind of this error. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.